To set up Authorize NetCIM integration, start by understanding what Authorize NetCIM is. Authorize NetCIM, or Customer Information Manager, is a secure payment solution that allows merchants to store customer payment information for future transactions. First, you need to create an Authorize Net account and enable the CIM feature. This will provide you with an API login ID and transaction key, which are required for integration. Next, choose the programming language you will use for integration, such as PHP, Java, or Python. Authorize Net provides APIs and SDKs for various programming languages, making it easier to integrate. Now, let's move on to the setup process. The first step is to create a customer profile, which involves sending a request to the Authorize Net API with the customer's information, including name, address, and payment details. The API will then return a customer profile ID, which is used to identify the customer and store their payment information. After creating a customer profile, you need to create a payment profile, which involves sending another request to the API with the customer's payment information, such as credit card details. The API will then return a payment profile ID, which is used to charge the customer's card. To charge a customer's card, you need to send a transaction request to the API with the customer profile ID, payment profile ID, and the amount to be charged. The API will then process the transaction and return a response indicating whether the transaction was successful or not. Best practices for Authorize NetCIM integration include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt sensitive customer information, and storing customer profile and payment profile IDs securely to prevent unauthorized access. In addition, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, and provide clear and concise error messages to customers in case of failed transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up Authorize NetCIM integration and provide a secure and convenient payment solution for your customers.